Hello again, everybody. We have another job, and this is a aircraft maintenance job. So this is located in Narita City in Chiba Prefecture. So the job description for this is loading of cargo loads and maintenance, aircraft maintenance. We are looking for 2 people for this, and this is scheduled for interview on November 11, 17. That will be Friday tomorrow. So the location for this is in Narita City in Chiba, and the salary starts from 180,000 to 240,000 yen, and there will be bonus also. This position has a lot of allowances. There is family allowance, there is also skill allowance, and there's a job allowance also, and fare allowances. So if you are willing to apply for this is scheduled for interview tomorrow, November 17, Friday, at our office in Tokyo at Kanda Station. So please comment down below, or you can call our office number at 03620680058. Thank you.